Are you looking for the best mechanic stools? In this video we will look at some of the best mechanic stools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Wen 73012 £300 mechanic stool seat. You don't want to replace your mechanic stool a year after buying it. With the Wen 73012, you can depend on its layers of cushioning. It ensures that the padding does not give for a long time. It also features a thick layer of the vinyl cover. It comes in a sleek black color. The vinyl cover protects the padding, which is why it is capable of maintaining its look for a decent time. As we said, steel is the most durable material for creepers. Wen 73012 follows through with a metallic frame. It can support a max 300 pounds, which fall right in with mechanical stools in its class. The most impressive part is the inclusion of a pneumatic height adjusting system. This stool can adjust in height from 15 to 20 inches. A handy lever makes the process a cinch, since you don't need tools. What's more, most people attest to its stability, especially when you are using it at its highest height. It is as comfortable as they get. Notice that Wen 73012 has 2,5-inch casters. These are quite small and we wouldn't recommend them for rough floors. For workshops with smooth floors, they are the perfect match. The casters support omnidirectional movement. They can swivel in all directions. You never have to stand when you maneuver around a car. The best thing about these casters is that they don't leave marks around floors. Pros: thick, multi-layered padding. 5 non-marring casters. Offers large onboard tool storage. Adjusts in height from 15 to 20 inches. Vinyl protected top. Ball bearing construction improves durability. Cons: it is not ideal for long hours of sitting. Number 2. Torren TR6300 Red Rolling Mechanic Stool. When it comes to achieving comfort, nothing does it better than ample padding on a creeper. The Torren Big Red Rolling Stool has a fully padded seat. It provides comfort during long hours of work. This way, you won't suffer from an aching butt. This creeper can support an impressive 300 pounds. It beats sitting on an actual stool because of the cushioning. In the process, it saves your back, since you won't be kneeling or bending when performing body work. For the price, Torren has done an excellent on the build quality of this creeper. This model has an all-steel frame. It is well protected from the elements thanks to the red coat of paint. No worries about damage to the frame due to exposure to humidity and water. What's more, the base gets its support from 4 high-performance casters. These casters can rotate over 360 degrees. They ensure that you can roll in a straight line and in the direction that you intend every time. We also like that the casters are medium-sized, such that they can roll smoothly on most types of floors. Well, except the rough ones. The inclusion of an organized tray is a nice plus with this creeper. It allows you to keep tools at your fingertips. This makes it easy to work without constantly standing to get tools. Pros: thick padding on the vinyl seat. Caster wheels glide over 360 degrees. The steel frame is rust protected. Large plastic tray for lots of tools. Cons: tool tray is made of plastic. Number 3. Wen 73011 Rolling Mechanic Seat. If you are looking for a top-rated rolling mechanics seat with onboard storage, you might want to consider this mechanics roller seat offered by Wen. Its users love this knee and back saver, but some do complain about the low quality and assembling issues. This product is a £250 capacity rolling automotive shop seat backed by a 2-year warranty. It has a 150 square inch storage tray, which is great because you can easily organize your tools. This mechanics rolling seat could be a good choice if you are looking for a rolling mechanics seat with a square seat and storage tray. In general, buyers are satisfied with the Wen rolling mechanics seat and they praise its usefulness, construction, and size. One buyer comments that it feels better to sit on it in comparison to round seats. Another satisfied purchaser finds the tool tray to be very handy. However, one buyer complains about the low quality. He says that the seat was made from very thin and weak material, which caused it to break right away. Another purchaser recommends building this rolling garage seat with stronger wheels. Pros: wheels roll nicely, large on-board tray, comfortable, easy to assemble, backed by a 2-year warranty. Cons: complaints of low quality. Number 4. Big Red TR6350 Torren Rolling Mechanic Stool. For those of you who really don't want to have to spend a lot on your mechanic stool, Torren is the brand to turn to. The TR6350 comes equipped with all of the required features of a great rolling mechanic stool, at a nearly unbeatable price. This mechanic seat comes with a seat that has been fully padded for optimal comfort while on the job. And thanks to the steel construction, the seat is able to accommodate up to 250 pounds of weight while rolling around effortlessly on its 360-degree caster wheels. Furthermore, the rolling stool comes with a pneumatic lever, which makes height adjustments on this thing much easier to make. And speaking of functionality, you'll definitely benefit from the Spacious tool tray, which has a segmented design for easier storage of tools. Finally, as the name suggests, this pneumatic rolling mechanic stool is big, and it's red. Its presence in your workshop is bound to suffuse it with an air of professionalism. And to think you can have all this at such a great price. This is a mechanic shop chair truly worth considering for your workspace and can certainly be termed as the best workshop stool out there. Pros: comes with 4 360-degree swivel casters for smooth mobility. Pneumatic seats can be adjusted for different heights. The fully padded seat provides optimal comfort. High versatility. Maneuverability is commendable. Cons: the weight capacity might be too low for bigger users. Number 5. Mechanic Fastback Shop Stool. Here I suggest another best mechanic rolling stool, and this time it's from Mechanic. The most significant feature of this stool is you can get a high-quality stool seat at an amazing price. Though it's not a regular garage stool with back, it certainly is a handy and comfortable shop stool suitable for garage work. The padded seat will give you comfort, and the tool tray will keep your wrenches, screwdrivers always organized. Overall, the stool is made of high-quality material. Unlike most shop stools, it additionally comes with a socket organizer and cup holder. Overall, it's an amazing shop stool that will be convenient at work. What we liked: can withstand up to 350 pounds. Features sturdy and durable 3-inch casters, suitable to work on rough and uneven surfaces. What we did not like: wheels glide too easily, can be troublesome while working in a hurry. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.